SGN stock analysis and SGN stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made, so I have proof of everything. It's all on my YouTube channel. With signing day sports, it's nice, 31% increase. How all this looks like for me, honestly, man, it's just, see, we fell down quite hard, and I would argue this is actually still in a bearish range, not just because I say so, but even if I look at it from like a 4-hour chart, we failed to break with a full candle close above 90 cents. And that's big. That's big for me. Because we've still failed to break, sell side still makes sense. So I'm saying if there is some sort of a double break, I'm even willing to take it further down. But last thing that I'm going to do is randomly start selling. So that's how SGN is looking like. All I'm doing in the meantime, by the way, is I'm just waiting for the rules to be met. And I don't know if I have previous receipts. Yes, in the Discord you can see previous receipts, but if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.